there has been a change in the tax band, right? And there was also a change in the tax rate that is applied to individuals, right? In the new tax law, the tax band ranges from 800,000 to 50 million, right? While in the old tax band, we had from 300,000 to 3.2 million. And there's also changes in the tax rate that is applied. So if you're making, currently, if you're making 800,000, then you're completely exempted from paying personal income tax, right? But if you are making over 50 million, then you are going to be paying 25% of your taxable income as tax, right? And this is completely different from what we had before. And if you can see my screen, we see that we have two tax tables. One is the table that contains the tax band, the new tax band, and the new tax rates. While the second one is the table that contains the old tax band and the old tax rates, right? Then for non-residents or for residents Nigerians, those are the people that are living in Nigeria. So all your income, whether they are generated in Nigeria or not, because there are some people that are in Nigeria, but they're making money from other parts of the world. So if you're in Nigeria and you're making money from other parts of the world, the whole income is taxable. But if you're not in Nigeria, or that's if you're living outside Nigeria, then the only income that is taxed is going to be the income that is generated from Nigeria, right? Then there is also an inclusion of items like digital assets, like cryptocurrency, prizes, honoraria, and grants. So these items have been added they're actually going to be added to your revenue, right? So if you are making, or if you are giving a prize, or if you are giving an honoraria or a grant, all going to be added to the items that are going to be taxed. Then the individuals also have access to some allowances. So the major allowance that are available to individuals is the rent relief, which is at the 20% of the annual rent paid and is subject to a maximum of 500,000 naira.